In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT as a professional writing style assistant to master different literary voices. I start by defining the AI's role, asking it to capture the specific rhythms, vocabulary, and sentence structures of various traditions while keeping my original meaning clear. Once the assistant is ready, I provide a prompt to describe arriving in a new city in the style of Ernest Hemingway. The generated response perfectly mirrors Hemingway's minimalist realism, using short, punchy sentences and understated emotion to paint a vivid picture of the city at dusk. Next, I challenge the AI to rewrite that same scenario in 3 completely different styles: F. Scott Fitzgerald, Raymond Carver, and Toni Morrison. The Fitzgerald passage is lush and romantic, filled with sensory descriptions of pale gold light and elegant strangers. In contrast, the Raymond Carver version is stark and direct, focusing on the mundane reality of a crowded station and a cheap room. The Toni Morrison excerpt stands out with its rhythmic, lyrical prose that explores the deeper connection between the character and the rising bricks of the city. Finally, I ask for a comprehensive style reference guide covering 5 iconic writers including George Orwell and Virginia Woolf. ChatGPT produces a beautifully organized guide that breaks down key characteristics, emotional tones, and even provides example sentences for each author. This resource is incredibly helpful for anyone looking to diversify their writing or study the nuances of classic literary styles. Using these prompts, you can quickly adapt any piece of text into a specific voice that perfectly fits your creative needs. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.